You are want to speak English?
You are in the right place. Today, your English speaking journey changes forever. Welcome to Alpha English Learning. Here, we help you speak English with confidence every single day. But today is special because today I will share a simple secret that makes English feel easy. Yes, English can feel easy, and I will show you how.
Have you ever been in a situation where someone speaks English to you and your mind goes blank? You freeze. You know the words, but your mouth does not say them. Your heart beats fast. You feel embarrassed, and you think, maybe I am not good at English. My friend, I understand you. I was the same. But the truth is, this problem is not your brain. It is not your ability. The real problem is fear. Think about when you were a baby learning to walk. You fell many times, but you stood up and tried again. Soon, walking became easy. English is the same. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. From today, change your thinking. Do not say, my English is bad. Say, I am learning every day. Do not say, I cannot speak English. Say, I am getting better and better. Your words have power. Your thoughts have power. If you change the way you think, your confidence will grow. Repeat after me. English is easy. I can do this. I am improving every day. Say it again. English is easy. I can do this. I am improving every day. Now I want to share 3 simple methods that will change your English learning journey. Method 1. Start small. Do not try long conversations in the beginning. Start small. When you wake up, say, good morning. When you eat, say, this food is good. When you go out, say, nice weather today. One simple sentence each hour is enough. Method 2. Copy like a child. Children learn by copying. When you hear English, copy the rhythm and the sound. If someone says, how are you? You repeat, how are you? Do not worry about perfect pronunciation. Just copy like a child and you will improve naturally. Method 3. Talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk in English. Say, hello, how are you today? Then answer, I am fine, thank you. This may feel funny, but it works. You practice without fear and build confidence. Maybe you are asking, what if I make mistakes? What if people do not understand me? Here is the truth. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. When you make a mistake, smile and continue. Do not stop. Do not feel embarrassed. Most people want to understand you. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Success in English is not about perfect grammar. Success is about communication. If people understand you, you are successful. If you can share your feelings, you are successful. Compare yourself only to yesterday. Are you better than yesterday? Then you are winning. Some days will be easy. Some days will be hard. That is normal. Keep going and never give up. English will open doors for you. It will bring new friends, new opportunities, and a brighter future. Your journey starts now. Today, speak one sentence in English. Tomorrow, speak two. Next week, have a small conversation. Believe in yourself because I believe in you. You already have everything inside you. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start now. Start today. Take your phone and record yourself speaking for 30 seconds. Talk about your day. This is your first step. Remember my words. You can do this. English is waiting for you. Your confident English future is coming. I am proud of you already. Now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge with English speaking? Is it fear? Is it pronunciation? Is it finding the right words? Comment below and share your story. I read every comment and I make videos to help with your problems. Your English journey continues tomorrow, and I will be here with you every single day with new tips and lessons to make you confident in English. Do not miss the next video. Your future confident self is waiting for you. Thank you for watching Alpha English Learning. See you next video. Bye!